In today's video, we will be dealing with designing of fuzzy charger. That is, a battery charger will be designed for charging the batteries. And this charger has two inputs. One is the temperature gradient, and other is the temperature. Now, these two inputs will decide what is the amount of charging in a charger. So here we are using the fuzzy systems, that is Mamdani type. It will have two inputs, that is first is the temperature, second is the temperature gradient, and a single output, that is a percentage charge. Let's simply go to the fuzzy system and see the inputs. So here there are three inputs, there is low, medium and high for temperature membership, and this will define that 0 to 40 degrees Celsius is a low, 30 to 50 degrees Celsius is a medium temperature, and 40 to 50 degrees Celsius is the 40 to 60 degrees Celsius is the high temperature. For the temperature gradient part, we have used the Z membership function, and here 0.5 is taken as a mean, where only two membership functions are defined, that is low and high. For the output section, we have taken percentage charging, and there are 5 membership functions for this. For lower temperatures and temperature gradient, there is a trickle, then there is low, medium charging, high charging, and ultra fast charging. So there's the 5 mediums. Now let's go to quickly design the rules, which I've already done. Go to the rules section in the edit, and here are the rules. Since the rules section, if we have 6 rules for this membership functions, and 2 for the temperature gradient, 3 for the temperature, so 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Here the first rule is, if the temperature is low and the temperature gradient is low, then the charging will be ultra fast. It means when you have the temperature of the surrounding or the temperature of the device is low and its gradient is also low, that is its differentiation of the same is also low, then the output is ultra fast. Similarly, other rules are designed, the temperature is low, temperature gradient is high, and the percentage charging is high. Temperature is medium, temperature gradient is low, percentage charging is high. Temperature is medium, temperature gradient is high. Percentage charging is medium, temperature is high, temperature gradient is low, then the percentage charging is low, and finally the last one is temperature is high, temperature gradient is high, and the percentage charging is trickle. That is, the percentage charging will be minimum at that point of time. Close the rules. This is all about the fuzzy systems. Now let's compile it in the MATLAB and see how it works. I've already written the code over here, and this code is also given in the description of the video, so you can copy this code and write it in your editor window. When I run this code, it will give me this temperature in Celsius. Since I've used 0 to 60 degrees Celsius, so I will be giving a temperature in that range. 40 degrees Celsius, I suppose, is the temperature, and the temperature gradient is in seconds, but I've used seconds in points, so I will say 0.2 seconds, and the percentage rainfall is 6.7%. Now this is how to calculate the percentage rainfall. If you want to see the rules, view rules, so see the rules here, that with the change in the temperature, when the temperature is getting low, the percentage rainfall is decreasing, and when the temperature is going to increase, the temperature is also increasing. It depends on two factors, temperature and temperature gradient. So is the percentage from 0 to 10. This is how the percentage is changing. Okay. So that was all about since I've used the percentage from 0 to 10 only, and that's why it is giving me 5.46. Rather, if I've used 0 to 100, this range, if I've used 0 to 100, then it will give the percentage of around 54%, and this is how the temperature increases, and this is how it works. That was all about the. Also, you can see the surface view of this. Uh, it is taking much of time. So this is the surface view. You can view it here. This is the surface view of temperature and temperature gradient, how this all works. You can rotate it by double clicking on the monitor. This is how the temperature gradient and all the functions are working, and the percentage charging which is given. This is the percentage charging over here, and the temperature gradient over here, and the temperature over the this input section. This was all about the battery charger. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more videos of this type.